Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn and Lauren here for SheSave.com, and today we are going to share with you one of our favorite product lines. This is Playtime by Eimmie. This is a brand we've worked with for several years now. It's one of our favorites. We did a really neat charity toy drive event with them this holiday season that you might remember, and they just came out with a really cool new Club Eimmie, which is a monthly subscription type service that we wanted to share with you. I love so many things about this club, and one of them is it's very affordable, and the other is that you can cancel at any time. So if you have any 18-inch dolls, this is something you might want to hear about because it's really neat. So do you want to go ahead and take her out of the box? This doll is from the Eimmie line. Who is this, Lauren?
Allie.
This is Allie. Okay. The dolls are actually sold out right now, but the clothing works for any 18-inch doll. So think American Girl doll. There's several Target lines, different dolls this size, but these accessories are so cute and so fun that we wanted to share this with you. So that's a look at Allie, Emmie's friend, and their whole world kind of centers around their friendship. They have so many neat accessories. I wanted to give you a peek at this Club Eimmie because this is what it looks like, what you might receive in the mail. And right now for $19.99, this is a look at what you'll get to join the Club Eimmie. And it includes, let's see here, what do we have? The pajama set, the mask, the dress, the leggings, the shoes, the book, an offer for a free hairbrush that you send in once you get your doll. And then the other thing that comes with this that makes this subscription service so awesome is a $20 gift card to the site. So that essentially means you're getting this, everything you see here for free. And they give you the choice of actually this outfit set or the outfit that Allie is wearing right now, right? So you get a little bit, you get your choice of those two for $19.99, plus your $20 gift card to purchase anything on the site. And we're gonna give you a peek at some of the other things that you might find in your subscription box each month. So Lauren, do you wanna give them a peek at a few of our favorites? Plus, we've got a Club Eimmie envelope right here that we haven't opened yet. So let's give them a peek at two of the other sets that they might get.
Okay, so this is the roller skate playtime pack.
Oh, cool.
It's really cool.
And they've really put a lot of thought and creativity into these sets. They have the funnest accessories, and they make them really kind of on trend, things that kids would be doing right now so that their dolls can do kind of the same thing.
The roller skates are so cute.
I know, they're so cute.
Okay. So it looks like we have the little hoodie.
Oh, cute.
Super cute.
Looks like something that you would wear.
Yeah, I think I have like one that looks exactly like it. And the cute little leggings.
Those are darling.
Yeah.
Okay, and the roller skates.
And then the cute roller skates.
So actually, you could buy the starter, the entry Club Eimmie set right here for $19.99. Turn around and use your $20 gift card on something like this. I'm not sure on exact prices, but that just shows you how far your subscription membership could go. And then each month, they will have different offerings.
So there's like the knee pads and shoulder pads in here.
Oh, how cute.
They're so cute.
Those are darling. Okay.
Cool.
So that is the roller skate set. And you'll find all these on the website. I will leave links to show you where you can find those. Which one is this, Lauren?
This is the summer playtime pack.
Oh, I thought this one looked so cute. You want to show us what's in that one?
Yeah. Okay, so we have... Right there.
Fun.
This is so cute. It's like a little beach ball. And it's like the real... It's almost like a real beach ball. It has like a little thing you can blow it up. That's awesome.
That's so cute.
This is so
Oh,
cute.
look, a little cooler.
Okay, so we got our cute little heart sunglasses.
Okay.
Beach ball. Little flip-flops.
I think the accessories are what make these so fun.
Yeah, and it almost looks like sunscreen.
Sunscreen,
So
how
cute.
fun.
And some ice cream.
Awesome.
So I think, yeah, this is like the bathing suit. That's so cute.
Cute.
That's so cute. And then, let's see. I think hat, right?
Yeah, it must be a swim cap. Very cute.
And then the towel. That's so cute.
Oh my goodness, she is going to be beach ready here. And I love the little cooler.
Yeah, me
That's
too.
so adorable.
Get this open. That's so cute.
Oh my gosh, so cute. So there is a peek at just how detailed and intricate this line is. We've actually reviewed their kitchen play set. What else have we?
The bunk bed.
The bunk beds, and I'll include links to those so you can see those as well. They're just fantastic, this entire line. And here is a Club Eimmie delivery package. You want to open that and see what's in there? We haven't seen that one yet. So anyway, I just am completely impressed with these. I think they're the kind of products that you save over the years because they're just really neat and well made.
I see like something that kind of looks like a donut.
How fun would this be to get in the mail every month to add to your collection? And they also definitely seem to have seasonal themes, which is kind of fun.
Okay, so we got, oh, it's like a jacket, and it actually has like a real zipper.
Oh,
my
how
gosh,
cute.
that is awesome.
That is adorable.
So cute.
Okay.
There.
So cute.
Oh my gosh, we have like a little unicorn t-shirt. Oh my gosh, that is adorable.
That is
I
adorable.
would wear that. That is so cute.
Yes, you would wear that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's so cute.
Oh my gosh. It's like one of those little hats that looks like a kitty cat. It has little ears.
Oh,
It has little bows on the side. It's so cute and it's so soft.
so this must be a winter type outfit.
Yeah. So
Oh, I love that. That's darling. Okay.
Oh, the little boots. Like the matching boots.
Cute, cute.
So cute.
All right.
And then we, oh, what is this?
Wow, this is like, is that snow pants?
Yeah, I think, or just like
Just white pants
Yeah,
to go
they're
with
so
all this.
cute.
That is adorable. Okay.
Perfect. And then we got, oh my gosh, whoa.
Is it for sledding? What is that for?
I
Like
actually don't know. Actually, yes, I think it's a sled because it has like the little handles.
Oh,
my
cute.
gosh.
It's like a little blow up.
Yeah, and you blow it up and you just sit in there. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
That's so cute. Okay, set that over here by this one. So there's a peek at some of the different outfits and accessories that they offer on the Playtime by Eimmie site with the Club Eimmie subscriptions. And I will include all the information for you so that you can find out how to do this yourself. I work directly with this company. They are offering the subscription for $19.99. And again, that gets you your choice of the two different starter kits that come with everything shown there, plus a $20 gift card to use on the site. And then each additional month you can purchase and go as you please, cancel at any time, which is really one of my favorite things about this because I find that brands that can stand behind their products can afford to offer that to their customers because I think this really is something that gives a really neat gift all year round. Right, Lauren?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will include all that information for you. Feel free to ask questions. I'll provide the links to where you can find these. And if I can't get you the answer, we'll go straight to the folks at Playtime by Eimmie. So there you go. This is Carrie, Lynn, and Lauren for SheSaved.com.